We'll guide you through how to paste Excel table in Google Docs. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Microsoft Excel on your device and open the Excel file that already contains the table you want to use. After the file is ready, locate the table you want to copy. Click and drag your cursor across the entire table until all rows and columns are highlighted properly. Take a moment to review the selected table carefully and make sure no data is missing from the selection. Once everything is selected correctly, right-click on the highlighted table and select the Copy option from the menu. You can also press Ctrl+C on your keyboard as a shortcut to copy the table more quickly. Before moving to Google Docs, stay inside Microsoft Excel first, because there is an additional step that helps preserve the table layout more clearly. Click on an empty area beside the original table and right-click on the empty space. Look for the Paste Special option from the menu that appears on the screen. After that, click the small arrow on the right side of the Paste options to reveal more formats. Review the available paste formats carefully and select the option that uses the picture or image format. Once you click the Picture Paste option, the copied table will automatically change into an image version. Now review the image version of the table carefully and make sure the formatting, borders, and text still look clear and organized. This method is useful because the table appearance will remain consistent when pasted into another document. After reviewing the image table, click once on the image version of the table to select it properly. Then right-click on the image table and select the Copy option again. You can also press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy the image version of the table more quickly. Next, open a new browser tab and type docs.google.com into the address bar. Press Enter to visit Google Docs. Once the document is ready, click inside the document where you want the table image to appear. Right-click inside the document area and select the Paste option from the menu. Make sure the Excel table image appears clearly and stays organized inside the document.